Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I wanted to create a makeup look using the MAC Lunar New Year 2021 collection. If you want to see which products I picked up and how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can reach more people in the world. So cute. If you want to see which products I use, they will all be listed down below in the description box. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I hope your new year is off to a positive start. I'm going to start off this makeup look by prepping my eyelids with the MAC Prolongwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then you want to set that with a powder so it doesn't stay tacky. You want to give the eyeshadows a nice soft base to blend on. And I'm using the MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. All the products I use in this video are going to be listed down below in the description box, as well as the shade names. If you have any questions about any of the products, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I love answering your guys' questions. The first item I'm going to use from the collection is the 9 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. I went ahead and swatched the colors for you guys. As you can see, the mattes are very consistent in color, and you have some nice glitter shades as well. I love that there's pop of colors and neutrals. To start off the eye look, I'm going to pick up this warm brown shade. It reminds me of Soft Brown by MAC, and I'm just going to diffuse that all into the crease to kind of contour my eye a bit using windshield wiper circular motions, and I do about 2 layers of the shadow. As you can see, the colors blend very nicely and very easily. And then because my base is already done, I'm going to go ahead and take the extra shadow on my brush and blend it onto my lower lash line so we have a nice cohesive look. The next color I'm going to use is this beautiful Barbie pink shade, which reminds me of Sushi Flower by MAC. I'm going to blend that into the socket of the eye, not passing the first shade that we used. I got the tiniest amount of fallout from the pink eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna brush that away with a big face brush. Then taking a clean blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and combine those 2 eyeshadows as well as diffusing them even further. Okay, for the lid, I'm going to pick up the next pink shade, which I believe is a luster finish. So it is more of like a light glitter when you apply it. And I'm just going to first pick it up with my finger so I can get a light application of it and press that all the way up to my brow bone because I was feeling super extra today. And then I'm going to go back in with the same color but with a brush this time and spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. That way we get a more metallic feel from the eyeshadow as well as more pigment. Look at that effect. It looks like a completely different eyeshadow I'm placing on the lid. And all I did was wet the brush a bit, and I am obsessed with how this looks. Then I'm going to go ahead and take more of that matte pink shade and blend it on my lower lash line so that again we have a nice cohesive eyeshadow look. Very Barbie moment, and I am here for the pink vibes. I'm going to then take this beautiful chocolate brown shade and smoke it out on my upper lash line. I'm only doing this because I am going to apply false lashes, and it's going to kind of help hide the lash band a bit. You can also wet your brush and use this shade as a liner. I want to keep this look very flirty and girly, so I'm going to use wispy lashes, and then I'm going to pick up that iridescent pink shade and pop it on the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone. This is going to give a beautiful pearl effect, which will brighten up the eyes and make them look a little bit bigger and more doll-like. I'm going to do some final touch-ups with the look by making sure everything is blended nicely together and adding a bit more of that glitter on my lid in case we lost some during the liner process or the lash process. And then we are finished with the eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm going to go ahead and use the dual blush that comes in the collection. I love the fact that you get 2 blush shades One is matte and one has more of a shimmer in it. I just blended them both together and it did give my overall look a beautiful glow as well as a nice flushed look, which played really nicely with this eyeshadow. You can definitely build the color up if you wanted to. I absolutely love MAC blushes. They always get the colors spot on. And yes, this collection came with a highlighter. So I'm going to use the Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish, which is imprinted, I think you would say, with Koi Fish. It's absolutely stunning and it gave a wet look to my face. It's like a subtle highlight, but not too subtle. You can definitely make it more dramatic by wetting your brush, but I am living for this highlighter. Of course, we want all our hard work to stay put, so make sure you spray your setting spray. I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus, which is going to break down all the powders and give a nice natural finish to the makeup. Unfortunately, the collection did not come with a lip pencil, but I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with Whirl lip pencil. And then I'm going to show you the two lipsticks I picked up, which is Brick Through. And I have to say these formulas are very creamy, very velvety. I could see myself wearing these every day. The second color I picked up was Healthy, Wealthy, and Thriving, which I'm trying to be all 2021. The one I decided to wear was Brick Through, and you guys, I think this is my new favorite lipstick. It's just the perfect shade, and the fact that it felt like I wasn't wearing anything on my lips is just a win-win for me, honey. Obsessed. How many times can I say obsessed? And Whirl did not work for that lip color, so I went back in with Spice, and if you have Spice, it is the exact same shade as the lipstick. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you can try it out maybe for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.